My name is Hugh G. Rection, and this is my four-door Suzuki Jimny, all right? Driving this thing is like driving a shoebox through a goddamn tornado. Every time I drive this thing, it feels like a personal attack. Technically, I don't drive this thing in bad weather. All I do is hold on and pray for goddamn dear life to the one and only God there is, Mr. Goddamn Colonel Sanders. Now, I don't know why these things get so much goddamn hate, all right? I know, yes, it's got the same engine as a Suzuki Swift, and they just chucked it in a goddamn fridge. When I put my foot down, the only thing that takes off is my goddamn patience, not this goddamn shoebox of a car. People ask me, Mr. Erection, what's the 0 to 60 time? And to that, I say, I'll goddamn get there, all right? This thing is like an asthmatic grandma climbing up the goddamn stairs. By the time I hit the freeway speed, all right, I've already reevaluated my life choices, I've reapplied for Centrelink, all right, and I've already ordered my KFC before I get there. It's not my fault that the engine is so goddamn small. Parked next to a lifted truck the other day, and the guy came out and told me that I had a nice car, and if it came in mans, all right? Buddy, it's not my fault that my feet can't reach the pedals of a normal car. 5'9" is a respectable height for a man. With a wheelbase shorter than my goddamn attention span, this thing feels like it'll roll over if I sneeze too goddamn hard, all right? It's not a car, it's a controlled fall. I mean, look at this. I could tip this thing over with just one goddamn hand. Look at this. 0 safety stars. Now I get it. It's tiny and it's slow, but I put this bad boy in 4-wheel drive and it'll still get places your $80,000 Land Cruiser can't, all right? This thing is like the cockroach of the 4-wheel drive world. Scrappy and refuses to goddamn die. If you guys want to see more car views just like this one, make sure you like and follow for more.